Good morning. Today, we the students of class 9th E are going to present a special assembly on Teachers' Day for our beloved teachers and on International Day of Charity. Now, I would request you all to join your hands and close your eyes to recite the Gayatri Mantra.
Great inventors and leaders are not born, they are motivated and inspired to do great things by the great teachers who allow us to dream and soar as kite. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us and happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teacher molds child's personality and inspire him to become a better human being. In this challenging pandemic time, the role of a teacher has magnified. I extend my gratitude to every teacher for their dynamic support. They have proved that learning can be carried out without limits. We are so grateful to you. Thank you.
Morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Manav Chopra, am going to tell you about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 5th September is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a staunch believer of education. He was one of the best well-known diplomats, a scholar, the President of India, and all above it, he was a teacher. According to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, teachers should have the best brains in the country, as teachers are the pillars of our society. They play an important role in the lives of our children. So once, when some of his friends and students requested him to celebrate his birthday, he said, instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be a proud privilege if 5th September is celebrated as the Teachers' Day. From then onwards, 5th September is celebrated as the Teachers' Day in India. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, the head boy Anubhav Sahu and the head girl Vrinda Gupta would like to show their love, affection, and gratitude towards their teachers.
Hello everyone, the head boy Anubhav Sahu this side. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to share a few lines with you. You taught us how to count, you taught us how to spell things, you taught us about how big the world is. But most of all, you prepared us for what life has in store for us, and you made us who we are today. So thank you. You're the best I could ask for.
A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for the others. A very happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers who are relentlessly working to provide us education even in such tiring times. A big thank you.
my friends Bhumin and Minakshi will tell us something about International Day of Charity.
International Day of Charity. Every year, charities all over the world help to save and improve people's life, protecting children, fighting diseases, and giving hope to many thousands of people. This is why the International Day of Charity is so important. This day gives you an opportunity to get involved in charity events going on around the world. This day was created by UN, which gives an information about charity. I request you all to please contribute something on this charity day. Thank you.
You will discover that you have two hands. One is for helping yourself and the other is for helping others.
भले ही कुछ समय के लिए ही सही, किसी और के चेहरे की मुस्कुराहट बनो। इंटरनेशनल चैरिटी डे के इसी भाव को दर्शाते हुए प्रस्तुत है यह गाना।
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे वो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे वो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हम ही से नाम प्यार का। मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसू में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा भूल हर कहीं से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम पितृभ्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसरित हो।